Look at this. How long does it take for an object to hit the ground if dropped from a height of 20 meters? Ignore air resistance and take acceleration due to gravity as 9.8 meters per second squared. Sorting out the parameters, we are looking for the time, how long it takes. For an object to hit the ground if dropped, this statement, if dropped, means originally the object is at a height without moving until it was released. So its initial speed at that point was 0, u equals 0. From a height of 20 meters, it means the height h, which is the distance covered by the falling object, is 20 meters. Ignoring air resistance, we have to take g to be 9.8. Looking at these parameters here, which of the equations of motion fits into it? Of course, it's definitely this equation that says the height or the distance h equals ut plus half gt squared. Of course, we know that the initial speed u is 0, so 0 multiplies t becomes 0. What it means is that h becomes equal to half gt squared. We are looking for the time t, so we want to make t subject of formula. Let's cross multiply. T squared will be equals to 2h all over g. By making t squared subject of formula, 2 times h is 2h, gt squared will be on one side, dividing both sides by g, you have that t squared equals 2h over g. To make t subject of formula, we take the square root of both sides, so that t will be equal to plus or minus the square root of 2h over g. When you take the square root of both sides of an equation, the right-hand side takes the positive and the negative sign because by the virtue of being a square, two answers are to be obtained. One is positive, the other is negative. Let's substitute values at this point so that t will be plus or minus 2 times 20 because h is 20 divided by 9.8, acceleration due to gravity. 2 times 20 divided by 9.8 will give us 4.08, which means the time is equal to plus or minus the square root of 4.08. The square root of 4.08 is approximately equal to 2.02, so we have t to be plus or minus 2.02. A fundamental question here is, the negative part of this answer, minus 2.02, is it really a valid answer? Of course it is not, because time is never negative. Since time is not a negative value, it means the negative solution is invalid. Hence, we'll go with only the positive solution. Therefore, the time will be equal to 2.02 seconds, positive 2.02 seconds. And that is the answer to this question. Very simple and very straightforward. And I believe you enjoyed it. If you did, here is a simple one for you to do. Try this, read the question, and put your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in our next video.